से लोग कॉल्स के लिए एआई को यूज़ कर रहे हैं, कॉल्स रिसीव करने के लिए एआई को यूज़ कर रहे हैं, लोड ऑप्शंस मैच करने के लिए एआई को यूज़ कर रहे हैं। तो एआई का दौर आने वाला है। अभी मैं आप लोगों को दिखाता हूँ कि एआई कैसे कॉल्स में आपकी हेल्प कर सकती है, कैसे आप अपनी उर्दू की वीडियो को इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, कैसे इसको अपने एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तो जो मैंने काम किया वो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। इवन आप लोगों ने जो देखा होगा, मैंने एक एआई जनरेटेड सॉन्ग भी बनाया जो मैंने टिकटॉक पे भी और शायद इसकी यूट्यूब की शॉर्ट्स में भी वो अपलोड है। वो भी एआई जनरेटेड सॉन्ग है। तो कुछ वर्क वैसे आपको दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ कि मतलब एआई का से आप कैसे अपने कामों के लिए इसको यूटिलाइज करवा सकते हैं। तो ये देखें, सबसे पहले मैं आप ही एक कॉल अपलोड करता हूँ। कॉल के बाद मैं एक उर्दू की वीडियो को इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करके दोनों का कंपैरिजन आपको बताऊंगा, और उसके बाद जो इससे हमने ऐड बनाया, अभी मैं खुद लर्निंग फेज में हूँ, परफेक्शन इसमें नहीं होगी और इस पे कोई वो बातें करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसमें कीड़े निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि खुद मैं अभी इसकी टेस्टिंग कर रहा हूँ। मुझे पता है इसमें क्या क्या फ्लॉज हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह मुझे उम्मीद है कि जो जो मैं मुझे क्योंकि अभी इस पे काम करते हुए इतना टाइम नहीं हुआ, तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये सारी चीज़ें इंशाल्लाह मैं कवर कर लूंगा जो जो इसमें हम मजीद घुसते जाएंगे, काम करते जाएंगे। तो एंजॉय। एआई मुझे यहाँ पे कॉल करेगी और मैं आपको ये कॉल आ रही है मुझे, कि देखो। हेलो, who is this? My name is Anna. I'm a sales agent. My name is Anna. I'm a sales agent for Quires. Company based in Brooklyn, New York. How are you today? I'm good. That's great to hear. I was calling because we specialize in helping truckers like you find higher paying loads and dedicated runs. Can you tell me a little bit about your current trucking operation? Are you from the brokerage company or from the dispatch company? No, no. We're actually based in Brooklyn, New York, not Pennsylvania. And we're a dispatching company, not a batch company. We help truckers actually manage their loads and find better paying opportunities. Actually, I don't need the dispatch services. I'm not interested in the dispatch services. I totally understand. Just out of curiosity, what's stopping you from considering a service that could increase your revenue? We've had many clients see a 20% increase in their earnings after working with us. I'm actually dispatching myself, so I'm doing good. That's awesome. It sounds like you have a good system in place. But with our service, you could potentially free up more time to focus on growing your business and increasing your revenue rather than spending time on dispatching. Would you be open to at least discussing how our services could complement your current operation? Yeah, I tried earlier a few dispatch companies, but most of the dispatch companies, they do the scam. So I'm afraid that I cannot hand over my operation to someone that I don't know about. I completely understand your concerns. It's natural to be cautious when considering a new dispatch company. I want to assure you that AR License LLC is a reputable and trusted company in the industry, and we have many satisfied clients who can vouch for our services. We're transparent about our pricing, operations, and we're committed to helping our clients succeed. Can I provide you with some references or testimonials from our existing clients to help build trust? My reefer is in the Texas. So, what market would be better for to operate in the Texas area for the reefer truck? Texas is a great location for reefers. We have a lot of opportunities for refrigerated freight in that area. Some of the top markets for reefers in Texas include the Dallas, Houston, and San Antonio areas, with loads going to major grocery distributors, food manufacturers, and other companies that require temperature-controlled transportation. We also see a lot of produce and meat shipments coming out of Texas, so there's a steady stream of freight available. Would you like me to give you some specific examples of the types of loads we're currently booking in Texas? Well, just give me the general idea, like if we stay in the Texas, at what rate per mile we can get in while living in the Texas, and if we do the OTR, if we go towards the eastern coastline, so what will we get over there? For reefers in Texas, we're typically seeing rates around $250 to $300 per mile, depending on the specific gravel load. If you're running OTR and heading towards the eastern coastline, rates are even higher, ranging from 2.75 to 3.25 per mile. And for flatbeds, rates are usually around 2.25 to $2.75 per mile in Texas.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you fine. Can you hear me?
My flatbed is not in the Texas. My flatbed is in Colorado side. So what is the best market around the Colorado and where we should had our operation for while living in the Colorado?
Colorado is a great location for flatbeds. We have a lot of opportunities for freight in that area. Some of the top markets for flatbeds in Colorado include the Denver and Colorado Springs areas, with loads going to construction sites, manufacturing facilities, and other companies that require flatbed transportation. We also see a lot of freight going to and from the surrounding states, such as Wyoming, Utah, and Kansas. If you're looking to operate out of Colorado, I'd recommend focusing on the Rocky Mountain region, where you can find a steady stream of freight and competitive rates.
We get good rates for while going towards the Utah, but while coming back, we didn't find a good rate. So what's the solution if we go towards the Utah and we get the good rates while going towards the Utah, but while coming back, what route optimization we need to adopt?
Common challenge, finding a good rate for the return trip. One solution we offer is our load matching service, where we can help you find a load for the return trip that minimizes deadhead miles and maximizes revenue. We also have a team of experienced dispatchers who can help you optimize your route and find the best load for your truck.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? उम्मीद करता हूँ ठीक होंगे। मेरे साथ मेरे मैनेजर बैठे हुए हैं, तो देखते हैं कि क्या हमारा रिस्पॉन्स है। हम अपनी एआई की एक वीडियो को, उर्दू वाली वीडियो को इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हैं। लेट्स से कि क्या होता है इससे।
Hello, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. My manager is sitting with me, so let's see what our response is. We want to convert one of our 8AA videos, the Urdu one, into English. Let's see what happens with this.
Are you in the trucking industry but struggling to find the tools and resources you need without breaking the bank? We've got you covered. Carrier Data Zone is your one-stop solution for all the essential digital products you need for success in the USA trucking industry at unbeatable prices. Yes, some digital products are as low as $1 or $2. Here's what you'll find: cold calling scripts to onboard carriers effortlessly, ready-to-use dispatcher carrier agreements, invoicing template, business models tailored for dispatchers, a complete dispatch course presentation, broker and shipper agreements to streamline your partnerships. We also provide powerful rebuttals, answers to frequently asked questions during cold calls, so you're never caught off guard. Looking for contacts? Access our comprehensive lists of active carriers, brokers, and over 3,000 shippers to grow your network. Need cutting-edge tools? Our data scrapper tools make information retrieval faster and easier than ever. We even offer personalized consultations for factoring, rental trailers, and other services to keep your operations running smoothly. With affordable solutions, industry expertise, and powerful resources, our website is designed to help you thrive in the competitive trucking industry. Explore today and start saving.
हाँ जी, क्या समझिए फिर? मजा आया? और भी बहुत कुछ है, बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे और भी मैं टेस्टिंग कर रहा हूँ। इंशाल्लाह वक्त के साथ साथ आपसे सारी चीज़ें शेयर करूँगा, और जिस चीज़ में मुझे सक्सेस मिलती गई वो सारे प्रोसीजर्स भी आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगा। वीडियो देखने का बहुत शुक्रिया। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।